put any time and effort into focusing on your health during the holidays? If you're like many people, probably not very much. You're already too busy shopping and events and family and friends and food and festivities and all of the other things that are going on. However, as a nutrition and health coach, I see women on the other side of the New Year's wishing they would have just put a little bit more time and thought into some of their holiday choices. So this week on my blog, I'm giving you a couple really simple tips, a couple simple strategies to help stay healthy through the holidays, help manage your stress levels, help reduce the overwhelm, help stay on track with your healthy eating goals, and don't put yourself behind before we even start the new year. So don't wait till the new year before you start thinking about prioritizing your health. Take a little bit of extra time right now because it can actually set you up through those holiday events. For example, if you don't eat all day and you go to a holiday event starving, are you going to fill up with nutritious food, or are you going to just hit the dessert row? So the tips that I have in here are going to help you really think about simple things that you can do to have more energy, to reduce the stress, to stay on track with your health goals. So dive on into the blog. It's just going to take you a minute and it might set you up for success even ahead of your New Year's goal. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how it goes.